Hiya, welcome back to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by. I am on to show you my plans for Monday the 8th to Sunday the 14th. Now, I haven't finished planning out exactly what I'm doing for this week, but I have a rough idea, and I still have my sticker icons to put on. I decided to do a black and white spread with a pop of colour this week, and I used this sticky floral tape. It's coming to the end, but I've got a few more on rolls, and I also used this is it gingham, dog tooth we call it, I think, here in the UK. Dog tooth, gingham, check. This is fabric, actual fabric, and it's so nice. So I decided to use that, and also I used the Super Mom stickers, some stickers from the Super Mom Happy Planner sticker book. I also used the Productivity Happy Planner sticker book and the Journaling Happy Planner sticker book to decorate. It is just so nice to use up all my stash. I'm not going to buy any more Happy Planner sticker books once these are all finished, and what I don't want, I'll just sort them out nice and neatly and give them to charity. They cost too much for me to get them from abroad. Just the weight alone, really, to be quite honest, the postage is really bad. I've been working on my silhouette, working on created stickers. I want to create functional stickers as well, like my last spread, where I found this website that I downloaded, some functional stickers, me out walking with the dog, my vitamins, my pills. What else did I have? I mopped the kitchen, so that's a little kitchen space. Made some phone calls. So these little icons are found on a website. There's the washing machine and church. Yeah, so I've been working on the silhouette, getting them in order, and printing and cutting. So I'm still working on the rest of the icons. I've got lots more to do, but I'm really happy with them. I might size them down just a little bit, like the pills I could size down a little bit, a few of them. So I'm still working on the sizing and everything. I'm really enjoying working in my silhouette. I really am. Now, before I forget, what I wanted to say is that I have got an open collaboration, Plan Fun, Get Things Done, and anyone can join. You don't have to have any particular fancy planner or anything like that, just a notebook that is going to be functional for you. I would have been happy to use notebook because I have many. One of these days I really want to share, but I found this one on Amazon, and I got one for my daughter as well. It was really reasonably priced. It wasn't expensive, and it is very good. The space is good, and it does the job what I want it to do. I was watching something and I was leaning on this, so this is a bit bent here. I've got to straighten it out. But yes, it is a very good planner. It's got a pocket at the back here, and it's got some notes pages, and it goes up to December 2024. So I'm really happy with it. So getting back to what I was saying about the hashtag Plan Fun Get Things Done, If you'd like to join in, please, I would really, really be happy to have your company. There's only two of us at the moment, but better than none. It's better than none. It'll be a bit of fun. You can plan your days. Nothing isn't set in stone. What you don't do today, you can always do tomorrow. And that's how it is. Sometimes I have my really, really lows, and sometimes I have my highs. So the planning helps me. It gets everything out of my brain onto paper, and then I can work towards bits and pieces that I've listed in the planner. You don't have to have everything done at one time or within that week. You just take your time, all in moderation, one day at a time. And I'm really happy with my planner. What I think I want to do as well is at the ending of every week, I think I want to come back with my planner just to show what I achieved for that week, so I can tick off bits and pieces off the days that I've done. My priority is my crafting. I do like a clean home. I like to clean and tidy before I sit down to craft, because I do not want anyone or anything disturbing me once I sit down to craft. So I try and get my little bits done. As I said, one day at a time. Now, sometime this week, I'm not quite sure. Oh, yep. Today, I want to clean my cutlery drawer. That's only one drawer. I've got 2, 4, 6, I think 6 or 7 drawers, but I'm cleaning one. The cutlery drawer needs cleaning. I'm going to clean that, and I'm going to clean my spoons as well, because they're slightly changing color. I think it's the tea bags that is changing the color of them. So I'm just going to put them in a little bit of bicarbonate of soda in the sink and give them a clean down, and we're good to go. So this is what I'm saying. Don't put any pressure on yourself. One thing at a time. The cutlery drawer is getting done. I always do my laundry, wash and dry, and what I've decided to do now is the following day, so Monday, Wednesdays and Fridays, I do laundry, wash and dry. And then what I'm going to do Tuesday, I'm going to fold and pack away. Wednesday I do wash and dry. Thursday I fold and pack away, so you don't feel overwhelmed. Well, I am not going to feel overwhelmed, because it's just too much to get through in one day, and there's other things that needs doing. Beds need making. If anywhere needs hoovering, you've got to run the hoover over. If somewhere needs a wipe down, it's got to be done. So everything cannot be done in one day, so little bit at a time, little bit at a time. So as I was saying, I want to come back at the ending of the week and just to see what I have actually achieved for the week of chores and bits and pieces. And also I really want to have fun in that time as well. It's not all about cleaning, the washing, the worrying, you've got to have some fun as well. If it's me time, say like some self-care, you want to take some nice long walks, or you want to do your nails. I tried doing my nails this week, and it worked out. I did the mat, but my hands are in constant water, so it's slightly chipping, but I'm glad because I get to practice on putting on gel nails, and it didn't take me long at all to do them. So I'm happy, really happy with that. I do go to the salon to get my pedicure, because it's good to get a massage for the circulation, and I do like having a pedicure. So that's what I do, but I want to do my own nails. Sometimes I just want to give my nails a break from nail polish and what have you. So I am in control of that. Anyway, I've waffled on a lot, but I just wanted to make things, clear that this is not, this hashtag plan fun, get things done, it's not something where you need to stress yourself out about. Just do what you can. That is the most important thing. I'm no spring chicken. Believe me, I am no spring chicken, and I do get tired quickly. So one day at a time, one thing or two things at a time, do what you can. On that note, I hope you do like my spread. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Take care of your good selves, and I will see you back soon. Bye for now.